Designed in California, the COSORI Premium Air Fryer 5.8 QD has a special ergonomic angled screen that offers better viewing without bending. A slimmer footprint fits on your countertop and saves you space. The fryer uses up to 85% less oil than traditional frying methods while maintaining the same delicious taste, making it the perfect Christmas gift for family and friends. The fryer's spacious 5.8 quart square baskets can accommodate a whole 5-pound chicken. Plus, the corner slots offer more cooking space and flexibility than the round designs. Cook the perfect amount of food for 3 to 5 people at once. COSORI Air Fryer Max XL has 13 cooking functions, 11 presets, preheat and keep warm help you cook meat, vegetables and more. Just choose your preset with one easy touch and you are ready to cook. You can also set the cooking temperature and time for personal recipes. You will find inspiration for every meal with 100 original recipes created by Chef COSORI. The COSORI Air Fryer Max XL fryer produces crispy results in less time than a conventional oven and includes a stir reminder function. Preheat the fryer before you add your ingredients to improve the texture. Check out this testimonial from a satisfied COSORI Air Fryer Max XL customer. This air fryer is wonderful. I need a large basket for walleye and this is the largest I could find, 10 by 10, which was a selling point. However, there are so many benefits. The programmed options, the ease of cleaning, the safety button on the basket, the price, just to name a few. I've only had it a few days and have already made a home for it on my counter and replaced my smaller, less versatile Philips fryer with this dynamo. I'll keep the other one for things like French fries or potatoes, while using this one for main items. I haven't looked at the cookbook yet, but I will soon. One more thing, I buy from Amazon quite often and this is one of the few reviews I feel compelled to write. Are you waiting what to secure your COSORI Premium Air Fryer right now? Official website link here in the video description and fixed in the first comment.